This is a diary of a stressed out medlab student. You're currently reading the very beginning. On the night of the 14th of April 2026, I received the most devastating news you could ever hear as a student. We had classes scheduled from 9 to 5 the next day. Somebody pinch me. And the biggest mistake I made the next morning was tying my academic validation to me attending all 4 classes. I prepared myself mentally and physically by deceiving myself that I got enough sleep, even though I had the most stressful time of my life previous day. I also carried my mentor's chewing gum to save me if and when I felt drowsy, and that of course came in handy. I also accidentally carried the most goated mosquito repellent, which also came in handy because for some reason there were mosquitoes flying around the whole class. But unfortunately, both of them did absolutely nothing to help with the heat stroke we're all about to have. The class was hot. It was burning. In fact, that's even an understatement. It was fire itself. And to think that we were there for a whole 2 hours. But don't worry, let's skip to the good part. I'm just joking. There was no good part. In less than 30 minutes, we were at our next class. But this class was in the lab, which had air conditioning, so it was good. And I wasn't constantly thinking of how I could elope. Sorry, I mean survive the treacherous heat. The second class lasted for another 2 hours. And I just remembered my lecturer saying that we shouldn't be going on break as scientists. I went for my next class by 1 p.m. and I was already so exhausted. I didn't even think I would make it through. It was a practical class, so unfortunately extended past 2 hours. And what I thought was a joke the whole time turned out to be true. We had another practical class after that, and I returned to my hostel by 4:54 p.m. I was even too tired to continue with the vlog, so I just stopped. I even made a distress voiceover when I got back to my room because I had a meeting by 6, but you can already guess that I didn't make it to that meeting. That was it for my day, dear diary, and I'd love to confide in you again.